welcome to my vlog. This is my new friend here, meet in Cebu City. What's your name, ma'am? Oh, wow, Elisa is beautiful, guys. She's coming from Hong Kong. You can invite your friend in Hong Kong. You can share update. Welcome here in Cebu City, ma'am. Here in the Heritage in Cebu City, guys. Yes, visit. I give you a sticker, ma'am. If you are okay, you can put the sticker in your cell phone. This is it. So, I will open. Yes, guys, we are here in Heritage Cebu City, guys, and I will give them stickers. This is mom. This is for you, mom. This is my Instagram and YouTube and Messenger. You see the video in a YouTube channel.
I think a picture is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, picture. It's a
I
beautiful
think picture
guys.
of this.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Welcome. We come back here, ma'am, in Cebu City again. It's a beautiful ladies, guys, coming from Hong Kong. She is visiting here in Cebu City. This is my bayani, guys. So the long, yes. Here in Heritage Cebu City. Bye, guys. See you the next vlog. Shout out to Ronnie Swan, Boy Tapang. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, and share, and subscribe.